The opens in the commentary.
Yeah. Okay.
And I'll collect when you're done.
Alright.
Hello, boys and girls. We've got a family that is up from the Texas area. They usually shop at Nick's. And today they're shopping at Colorado's best card shop, like Stadium Sportscards. We've got a box of 2014 Bowman Sterling to get popped. So, gentlemen, without any further ado.
All right, you go first.
Okay.
You want to call your shot? You want to call who you think you're going to get?
Schwarber.
Schwarber, okay.
Alright, redemption on the back, but there's a panic rookie. A Henry Owens there.
Cool.
Luis Severino, refractor.
I've heard of him.
Yep.
Ooh, #1 pick, Alex Jackson.
Yeah, Alex Jackson, yep.
Hi there, welcome.
All right, in this one we have Pentecost.
Yep.
Got a greenie.
We have a green Harvey. Oh, no.
Oh, that's not yep, Hunter Harvey. Kopech, yep.
You know who that is?
Yes, sir. Red Sox.
Tyler Bidet. It's not Bidet. That's what I call him, sorry.
Alright. There. Oh, okay. Sorry.
It's fine, guys.
Alright.
On the floor is not a problem around
Lindor
here.
refractor there. Marlins there. Here's an Alex Hansen. There. And an Odor.
Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah.
You guys are from Texas. That's not a bad card for y'all.
But I think I got you beat because I have a Madison Bumgarner.
I wish that was an autograph.
Yeah, it'd be nice. J.P. Crawford. Yep.
Not bad.
I'm enjoying.
Stephen Piscotty. And Foster Griffin.
All right, 2 packs to go.
All right. Try and okay.
You first.
Okay. Yeah. Giles refractor there.
Cool.
That's out of 50. There's a Nick Howard. Just traded Jorge Alfaro. There. And a Cam Bedrosian there.
You can take them.
All right, guys, last pack.
Yangaveris Solardi. We got a Jack Flaherty. A Smith there.
And last card is.
And Geller.
All right.
Very
Well,
good.
you guys came up 1,000 miles for that box. I hope it was worth the trip.
We enjoyed it.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to our videos, and we'll hopefully be showing you more soon.